Hey, it's Trey Cross, founder of the Cross 3 Network. Here's 3 simple and common chord progressions every beginner should know. These are not the only progressions, but there are 3 progressions that you definitely should know. All right, let's check it out. So, we're in the key of F. So this is one of the easiest progressions you'll ever play. It's called the 4-6-5. Okay, so in the key of F, so 4-6-5. Okay, that's the first one. 4-6-5. Okay. So this one is used in a lot of CCM type songs, using a lot of worship songs. Yeah. So that's the first one. So progression number 2, and these are not in order as far as like importance, but I just wanted to just lay it out. All right. So the second chord progression is the 6-4-1-5. All right. So still in the key of F. Okay. Play that again. I'm sure you heard this chord progression a million different times in a million different songs. So that's a chord progression that you definitely must learn, okay? And then a progression called 1-3-4. Still in the key of F. So this one is used in a lot of worship songs as well. I'm gonna do it again. All right, so we got 4-6-5, 6-4-1-5, and then the 1-3-4. All right, so those are 3 chord progressions that you must know. These are not the only ones; they're the most common, and I'll be sharing more tips in the future. If you'd like to learn how to play gospel keys by ear for only $10 a month, click the link in the bio or click the link above this video, and I will see you later.